Okay, we have everybody set up. A countdown. 3, 2, 1, robot. All right, autonomous is in motion. All the robots are moving. We've got a sample on the high bar. We got a sample on the low bar. First one I've seen of those today. We've got pieces being moved up into high bin. We got 2 samples into the high bin over here on the Red Alliance. Red Alliance just misses their second specimen on the high bar. Blue Alliance is moving their pieces over. They're getting another piece over to their human player. They're setting up the clips of the specimens to be hung in as soon as teleop begins. The next robot is moved over. They're both in a park position. They're from St. Louis on the
Drivers,
blue side. Looks like
controllers.
red has the advantage.
3,
going into teleop
2,
phase
1.
from autonomous. All robots are moving on the field. We got one robot not moving on the field on Blue Alliance. Red Alliance is getting what they need done. They're grabbing some of their specimens. Okay, Blue Alliance is about to set up another specimen. I'm seeing flags by refs being flown. Calling on different alliances. 9378 is trying to get into the middle of the zone in order to grab their pieces. They're just a little off, but trying to grab it. There's a lot of battling going on there with 14825 against 24056. Robots are able to pin robots, but only up to 5 seconds. 14825 is getting really hammered a lot by 24056. There's a lot of heavy robot game action going on. Second sample has been placed up by Blue Alliance. Red Alliance has their 2 samples up. The 9378 was getting harassed out by the Blue Alliance robot. As they get back into the samples, he's trying to do it. 25406 is really getting in there, blocking, doing a lot of defense onto it, trying to slow down this Red Alliance coming in. 22536 is trying to get their samples up on it. They've got 3 specimens on the high bar. 14825 from Acids has got another one into the high bin. They're trying to get back into the zone to grab more samples out. Still being harassed by Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, Blue Alliance has got their 4 specimens on the high bar. Red Alliance has their 4 specimens on the high bar. A lot of robot action is taking place. They're seeing where they can move around. 9378 is moving another sample over into the human player zone. We are down to the final 5 seconds of gameplay. We're looking for robots that are going to hang. Blue Alliance has their first hanging robot. Red Alliance is going for their first hanging robot. Red Alliance gets a sample up onto the high bar. Blue Alliance has got 2 robots in a middle hang position. And Red Alliance has another robot in a park position. Vantage for park position goes to the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance slowly behind them. Red Alliance has 5 specimens on the high bar. The Blue Alliance has 4 specimens on the high bar. You're now counting out the bin. How many pieces made in the bin? Even with all that harassment, they still get 10 samples into the high bin. And then it's going over to our Red Alliance. It looks like it may be a Red Alliance victory for both of our 2 squads. This could get interesting in the final rounds. Referees are tallying up the final scores. All right, let's clear our robots. And the final tabulations are showing a Red Alliance win. Well done.